FIR that has now been registered in the case. The building owners who have been booked, however, there are still people who are feared to be trapped under the debris as the rescue operations continue.
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਾਤ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੜਕੀ ਸੀ ਉਹੀ ਰੈਸਕਿਊ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਲੀਅਰੈਂਸ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ। ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਰਜਿਸਟਰਡ ਦਾ FIR 105 BNS ਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਓਨਰਸ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਮੁਕੱਦਮਾ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ।
Pavit, as far as the investigation is concerned, if you can update us on the same, because what was being said that there was excavation work that was going on in the adjoining building and that too without permission.
All good.
All right. In the meantime, as far as we heard what the police has to say, the rescue operations that are on, unfortunately, one woman who has lost her life in this multi-story building collapse that has now been reported in Mohali. As far as when it comes to all of the heavy work machinery that you can see that has been deployed to rescue as many people who are still feared to be trapped, as far as when it comes to the time, which is of the essence here as the rescue operations that have been taking place.
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਾਤ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੜਕੀ ਸੀ ਉਹੀ ਰੈਸਕਿਊ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਲੀਅਰੈਂਸ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ। ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਰਜਿਸਟਰਡ ਦਾ FIR 105 BNS ਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਓਨਰਸ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਮੁਕੱਦਮਾ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ।
So police case that has now been registered as far as in the owner's case is concerned, where the building which is now collapsed in Mohali, where several who are feared to be trapped, as the district authorities that have launched rescue operations with 2 excavators that have also been pressed into service as part of the ongoing operation, where several people are still feared to be trapped under the debris. And when it comes to a fire brigade team that is also said to be on the spot, this morning pictures that are now coming in, as last evening was when the rescue operations began. When it comes to the preliminary information that suggests that the building collapsed after a basement that was dug in a nearby area, causing the land to sink. However, when it comes to senior police officials who have reached the spot to take stock of the situation, saying that the NDRF team has also been pressed into service to rescue those who are believed to be trapped. We'll get you the live updates that are coming in from Mohali building collapse. In the meantime, we head into a short break.